perfectly. Cut the camera. Hey guys, it's Kat and I'm back for a very exciting video. If you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, you know you're waiting for this. We have the new AirPods 3rd generation. I'm filming it in my Lexus that I'm using for the week, so I'm very excited. I'll take you guys on a tour where I'm driving later on my TikTok and Instagram as well. So today we're going to be unboxing the 3rd generation AirPods. Love that ASMR. Ooh, I love unboxing anything Apple. I don't know about you, but it makes me so happy. Okay, there we go. That's what the case looks like. I think it comes with a MagSafe charger. Let's see. Oh, just a regular charger. I will test it out on my MagSafe later on. Here's this little egg we've got. And I'm excited to see what they look like. Oh my goodness. They are way chunkier and shorter than the original AirPods that I have right here. So let me show you. They have a case on it, but look at that difference. Let's pull out an original AirPod. Look how long it is versus the 3rd gen. Let's see how this fits in my ear. Apparently, well, not apparently, it's true. They are now detecting your skin. And they won't just turn on if they're on like a table. Alright, fits comfortably. Let's connect it to my iPhone. We are now connecting it to my iPhone, and it connected automatically and automatically named it Katarina's AirPods number 2. So that is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna test it out today, go on a hike, work out a bit, and let you know my thoughts. This is actually water resistant, so hopefully maybe it rains or I spray water on my head to see if it works. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. See you later. I'm back. I just went on a walk with my new AirPods 3rd generation. Honestly, they felt like they'd fall out of my ears because they are really big, as you can tell, and I have really small ears, but they haven't, and they are very comfortable in my ears. The one thing I love so much is it does feel like you're in a concert. Like, I feel the spatial audio around me that I'm in my own world. So if you're going on a walk or on a run, be careful with that. For safety, turn down your phone maybe so it's not so loud, but you do get lost in the music. I love it. So I just hiked almost up to the Hollywood sign. I'm a little tired now and think I'm making it all the way. However, I didn't hear any of the wind from around me with my AirPod Generation 3s on, which I really love, and there's definitely a noticeable difference between the 3rd generation and the 1st generation. I was switching back and forth just to see if I could tell if it was placebo effect, but honestly, I definitely can tell the spatial audio on the 3rd generation is absolute fire. I'm gonna do a workout tomorrow and let you guys know how I like it. Guys, I've been using the AirPods for an entire workout. They sound amazing in my ears. I love it so much. Spatial audio, like I said before, is amazing. I'm gonna try to jump around and see if they fall out at all, but they haven't yet. I like them a lot more than the original AirPods already. Doing things purposely to sweat, and it kind of rained, and I haven't been nervous at all because I know these are water resistant. They're very easy to take out of my ears, and I'm shocked they haven't fallen out because they feel like they're gonna fall out. As you can see, these are the original AirPods, and these are the 3rd generation. These ones fit in my ear a lot better. It feels like they're actually in my ear. If you have tiny ears, you'll know what I mean. But I don't like, if you're wearing earrings, that they touch, like the bottom of this actually touches your earrings and makes a sound, and it feels like it's always clicking. If you don't wear earrings, you probably don't know what I'm talking about, but I don't hear it with the third generation. So if that's something that bothers you, because it bothers me, get the third generation. Okay, I tested it out. It's true. The clicking sound, you don't hear it if you're wearing hoops with the third generation, but with the first generation, it ruins the song, it ruins the vibe, too much clicking. So that's a point that I really, really like. However, the first generation honestly feels like it fits in my ear a bit better, but the sound quality on the threes are chef's kiss. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really, really like the new AirPod 3rd generation, and I can't wait for you guys to try your own. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram to see my latest updates. Can't wait for you guys to see my next video. Bye!